Hello, let's start our first market spin in 5 minutes. Today, I'll start these videos by showing the results of our AI trading bots. We have some agents trading in futures contracts, exactly 10 agents, with each one of them trading with a different strategy. And I will walk you guys through the results of today's and every day. I'm going to make these videos showing you the results of the AI agents. Little disclaimer here, like this is a specific configuration. The agent has some kind of awareness, a numerical awareness, so you can turn it on to any security time frame that you want. I am using specifically to micro contracts and mini contracts with S&P futures, Nasdaq futures, and micro Bitcoin futures. But you can turn it on to stocks and like oil if you want, and other instruments as well. And after we see the results, I will show you a little bit of the charts that we have, the daily charts that we have from stocks with the predictions for the next few days. Okay, so let's start. We are here on our website, here on our blog, translatetstocks.com/blog. We have this trading blog here, and here we have each day is a card. You can just click on the day that you want to see the results, and you can see the bots and the description that I put here, and the results for each one of them, sum of all of them. And if we have videos like the one that I'm creating today, you see the video inside this post as well. And here we have the total profit or loss that we have accumulated for all the days since we start last week on June 11th. Okay, so let's see what's happening today. Today is June 16. We are in the dead hour between 5 and 6 p.m. for the futures contracts. And our agents today were with these results. For the brute force attack agents, the ones that use averaging down for trading with micro Nasdaq and micro S&P, the numbers 1, 2, 3, we have a profit for agent number 1 of $300, $83 for agent number 2, and $283 for agent number 3. Okay, I'm not limiting this trading hours for them, so they stop trading between 5 and 6 p.m. and then they restart trading at 6 p.m. because the charts stop, like code to stop, everything stops, so we can just have these positions there. It's not going to have any hurt on our strategies. The yellow bots are the ones that have trading hours limit, so they are trading with a range between 10 and 4 p.m. usually. We have this for the micro Bitcoin. The number 4 is the micro Bitcoin, the one that trades looking to the Bitcoin chart. It has to stop between 5 and 6 p.m. because the crypto chart, the Bitcoin chart, is 24/7. It never stops. So if we don't stop the agent, it will try to send an order to the market that's closed, to the micro Bitcoin, to the futures. So this agent is looking for the crypto charts of the Bitcoin, the BTC USD, and trading on the micro Bitcoin, the futures. So it's searching for signals in one chart and trading other chart. That's why it's we are interrupting the positions for 58 p.m. and we're starting at 6 p.m. And we have a $84 profit today. Actually, today we have 2 bots that didn't trade, the number 6 and number 7. All of them, the other 8 bots, they were profitable. This is the number 5 and number 10. They are already stopped. They are the after loss strategy. It's a reversed brute force attack, reverse martingale and linear averaging down attack. It starts with the maximum position and then it decreases the position to 0 and waits for a loss, and then it restarts with the maximum position and reduce the position after that. So the NQ, these 2 bots, they are trading with the mini contracts, not the micro, 1 mini each. The NQ, $458 in profit, and the ES, $38. The ES trade was like very straight, but the NQ was very good. And today we have $1,408 in profit since midnight. The global PNL 1,272 is since yesterday or the previous day, because we have like the futures contract, they start 6 p.m. from the previous day. It's not exactly 24 hours trading that we see in the P&L because it's confusing. I'm not using the global P&L to make this uh, blog posts. I using the total P&L because the total P&L is exactly from midnight to midnight from all the days. So it's easier for us to keep track of what's happening. And we have here agents number 6 and 7. They are trading with the 60-minute charts. The 60-minute charts is rare. We have some entries. We had one last week that was very good. They were trading with the minis, 1 minute each, but I changed it to 1 micro this week because the target is very big. As you can see here, it's 22 points, the target. So if with one mini, we are talking like $2,000-$3,000 per each trade. And it's kind of not balanced with the rest of the agents. They are not trading so heavy. Even the agents number 5 and 10 that are trading with minis, their target is on 1 minute chart. So their target is less than five, usually less than 10 points, and on average less than 5 points. So they are not so heavy. The stop loss is not so heavy. Also, they are trading with 4 points stop losses, more restrained, and the 60 minutes more. The two agents with the 60-minute strategy, they were trading like very broad risk and return also, but I decreased the quantity for 1 micro each one, and today we didn't have any entry, so doesn't matter. And the 8-9 agents, 8 and 9, they are the 5 minutes agent, the 5 minute chart. Okay, from 1 to 5 and number 10, all of them use the 1 minute chart to trade. The big difference among 1, 5, and 60 minutes are the targets. The differences are the targets because the targets are based on the standard deviation. 1 minute chart is a small standard deviation, small target, take profit, and stop loss. They are smaller. 5 minutes, usually they are similar to the 1 minute, but they can be bigger. And the 60 minute, they are way bigger. Like almost always, they are way bigger than the 1 and 5 minutes. So that's the difference. And the agents trading the 5 minutes, they were good today. They are trading with only 1 micro each. They are not trading with averaging down or increasing quantity. And for what they are doing, they were very good today, like $86 for the MES and $110 for the MNQ, $200 among both. You need like less than $1,000 to trade these both bots together. So it's a very good profit for them today. Well, let's see a little bit now what's going on the market. Here on our website, if you go to stock analysis, we have these charts that are analyzed by AI every day. They are free for you to check. So you can just go to our website, translatestocks.com, the stock analysis, and you can see the charts. If you click here on each one of these charts, you can see the complete analysis, and I will walk you through each one of them. The main stocks for today. Let's start with Tesla. Tesla, we have 1.2% high today. After we have Elon Musk and Trump kind of fighting last week, we have the stock Tesla stocks dropping to below 300, but they are again above that mark, and we have the $325 support. That is very strong support now below the price. Oh, we have here this 329. It seems to be that we are having a triangle being drawn here. We have a reversed head and shoulders drawn there, but it's hurt, like it's already started and then it came back. So it's not so strong, but we have this triangle here. It seems that we are going to see Tesla evolve here, but we need to wait for the next steps. It's a very volatile stock, so let's see what's going to happen. But right now, it's pointed up. It's with a very strong support at 325, and it's pointed up. Let's go to the other ones. I will click here on the market research to see the list. These are the most traded stocks for personal accounts that we have here on the featured stocks. So it's the interest of everyone. NVIDIA, we have here the analysis of the AI. The AI write this analysis every day after 5 p.m. You can check our website to see this analysis here. And the AI said that the stock's pointing upwards. Let's see if that's the case. We have a Fibonacci drawn here from 95 and 143 for NVIDIA. It's a breakout that we had today for 144. The projections are 162 and 173. So yeah, it's pointed upwards with the projections on 162 and 173. And actually, a good stop loss for NVIDIA here by this chart with these projections is 124 and something like 98, I think. Let's see the next. One is the Palantir. Palantir, we don't have a side here. I didn't pick a side, just put the support and resistances for us. Palantir is like with the all-time high, and it has a Fibonacci that we have a breakout also here a couple of weeks ago, and actually the projection is 163.73. The first projection is 149.10. The next projection is 163.73. And if we go down here, we have the price on rails for the daily chart. And again, this is for free, okay? TranslatedStocks.com or ai.translatedstocks.com, and you can see these charts. And we have here the projection of the next 5 days for the price on rails. It's also upwards. So we do have bullish signal here. Let's see the next one, Oracle. Oracle was very strong on the last trading sessions. It was like from 178 to 200 and more than that, 220, 230. And what we have here, like the projections were 196 and 206 if we had a breakout in 179.99, because it opened the day 3 sessions ago way above that. The first projection was hit on Thursday itself, and the next projection it was hit on the Friday. And because it closed the day above 200.06, what we have here is an increased projection to 223.22. So Oracle is still with a bullish signal for 223.22 by this Fibonacci. We have, of course, a correction here today, because after all this valuation, it's normal. The support is 200.06, but it's still because of the way this figure works here. If we touch the Fibonacci, the 61.8% line, and the price closed below it, we don't have an extension to the 100% line. But if we have a close above and with like volume, like we have seen here, so it's a bullish signal. So we do have 223 and 22 as our projection. So the stock is still pointing upwards. Let's see a few more. Like I will touch base with you with Apple and AMD. Apple is not like the stocks approaching the line, blah, blah, blah. And it's a lot of the AI is telling a lot of stuff for us here. If we go to the price on rails cannot see what's going on Apple. And if we go to the chart here, we can see that the chart is also struggling to like draw some trends. And it's very easy to understand when you have this line, this crossing lines all together. You just don't look at these anymore. Like this is not a good stock for trade. If you have a lot of trading lines this way in the chart of a stock, it's a signal for you to step away and wait for a definition. Right now, what we have here is like 3 different triangles, like a lot of definition, triangle below the price, triangle above the price, inner projections, inner head and shoulders, inner Fibonacci. Like that is not a good stock to trade right now. We don't have a trend. Okay, it can go upwards, it can go downwards. We just don't know. We cannot have a clue what's going on with Apple. So Apple will step away from for the next few days. And let me finish today's video with AMD. AMD is the stock's pointing upwards for the AI with the next resistance in 127.52 pre-close. Today it was 8.8%, so it was a very good day. We have resistance here. So my reading of what's happening with AMD right now is it touched the 127.52 today, the resistance, but it closed below that. We have reversed head and shoulders here with the neckline clearly passing through the exact price that we have the close today. So this is not an upward trend yet. It's a very big potential here. If it breaks the 127.52, we can have 134.30 first, and then we can go like above 165 because the projection of the head and shoulders is pointing there. But we need to have this breakout on the 127.52 to have that. Okay. If you guys have some doubt, or if you guys want me to analyze any other stock on tomorrow's video, just shoot an email at support@translatestocks.com. Thank you so much for your presence. See you on the next video.